Extreme weather has hit several parts of China between July 4 and July 5, 2026, bringing destructive winds, heavy rain, deadly flooding, and emergency rescues across multiple provinces. In Jingdezhen, Jiangxi Province, a powerful windstorm swept through the city on July 4. Strong winds and heavy rain knocked down trees, disrupted streets, and created dangerous conditions. Local reports said one woman was hit by a falling tree during the storm, while people nearby rushed to help before emergency crews arrived.
这个妖风太吓人了。
At the same time, northeastern China faced a much deadlier disaster. In Fushun, Liaoning Province, extreme rainfall triggered severe flooding after some areas recorded more than 300 millimeters of rain in just a few hours. Roads were submerged, residential areas were flooded, bridges and riverbanks were damaged, and emergency teams were sent into affected neighborhoods. Authorities reported at least 3 deaths, while thousands of residents were moved away from high-risk areas. Rescue crews worked through the night, helping trapped people, clearing flooded roads, and restoring damaged infrastructure after the record-breaking downpour. Further south, Fangchenggang in Guangxi was also hit by major flooding as Tropical Storm Maysak brought heavy rain into southern China. Rivers overflowed, streets turned into muddy flood channels, cars were submerged, and rescue teams used inflatable boats to reach people trapped by rising water. Some residents described the flooding as one of the worst events they had seen in years. Authorities in Guangxi raised the emergency response level as more heavy rain threatened the region. Officials warned of further urban flooding, landslides, road closures, and transport disruption. From wind damage in Jiangxi to deadly floods in Fushun to major flood emergency in Fangchenggang, China faced several dangerous weather events in just 2 days. Residents were urged to avoid flooded roads, stay away from rivers and unstable slopes, and follow official emergency warnings. This is the latest update on the severe windstorm in Jingdezhen, the deadly flooding in Fushun, and the major flood emergency in Fangchenggang, China. If you follow extreme weather and natural disasters around the world, subscribe to Climate News for more updates.
哇，怎么翻了？
现在就这么一个情况，基本都没了。凤城街和新城路这个交叉路口，往那边走吧，我绕一下，我看看能过去不？那边应该看起来还算好一些，车的灯都短路了吧，都打开了，整个这两岸无一幸免。
看看，这是咱们抚顺市步行街啊，现在整个这水全被淹了。